Hello, my name is Elaine and I decided to take A-level Welsh because I wanted to become a Welsh high school teacher. I decided to take Welsh as an A-level because I found the course really interesting. We got to study different things, novels, poetry, Welsh grammar. I felt that it was important for me to take Welsh as an A-level because I'm really passionate about the subject. The teachers did have an influence in why I decided to take Welsh. They were very passionate about the subject and inspirational. They made the Welsh lessons fun and enjoyable. I was quite nervous really when I was doing my A-level choices. I enjoyed most of the subjects and didn't know which ones to take. At the end of the day, Welsh was one of my favourite subjects and I also wanted to become a Welsh teacher. I'm very confident now when I'm speaking Welsh in front of my classes and also when I'm writing. I use Welsh in my career from day to day. I use it with pupils in the class and I also use it with my co-workers here. One of the best things I'd say about my job is the sense of purpose. I'm here to teach them and teach them Welsh, and seeing them develop their Welsh from day to day is really rewarding.
Ac ydych chi'n cofio pa liw llygaid oedd gan y panther yma?
I think it's important for other people to learn and embrace the Welsh language because I strongly believe that it opens doors and you have much more opportunities when you're able to speak Welsh.